Welcome to Enver World. We're going to show you step by step how to create a collection and add new items. Now, shall we start? Once you log into Enver World, go to the profile and click on My Collection. You can directly edit an existing collection or create a new one. Today, we will create a new collection. Click Create a Collection. We're going to add 3 image files to our collection. Double-click on the image file you desire. Recommended image sizes are indicated on the page. If you did not prepare them in advance, do not worry. You can add them at any point. Please enter your collection name, description, category, and fill in the rest as desired. Click Create at the bottom. Congrats! You've created your first, but certainly not your last, collection. Now let's create a new NFT item. Click on Create and upload your file. Please note, it must be under 100 MB. Enter the name and description of the item, and if you have a webpage related to your work, please add the link address. Next, select the collection you want your item to be displayed in. Remember, you must first create a collection to register your item. Now, click on Create at the bottom. Congrats! The item has been added to your collection. You can create as many collections and items as you would like. At Enver World, anyone can become an artist.